Hello Numberblocks fans! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Super Creative Numberblock Zone. In this video, I will show you how to rebuild the number block 0 to 100 part 8. Well, in this video, which means I call 51 to 55. Anyways, let's begin with the number block 51. Number block 51 is made of 50 light blue blocks and one red block on the top. Or you can also build like 3 by 17, because 3 times 17 is 51. I create my own number block 51 by alien eyes with a paint with a splats. Well, if you know the 51 times table, which means they're all aliens. Like 51 by 1 is 51, 51 by 2 is 102, 51 by 3 is 153, and so on, which means these are the alien numbers. Or if I call it shorter, which means if the number who can divide it by 51, which means it is an alien number block in the Numberland. But just assumption. Anyways, well, the 50 blocks are finished, and there's the one block on top, and we just cut the video of putting on the stickers, just doing a magic, which means let's attach the sticker. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is the number block 51, and the number block 51 is finished. Let's continue to build the number block 52. Ding! Alright, let's next up to the number block 52. Number block 52 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 2 orange blocks. Well, number block 52 is an unlucky number. Why do I call him like this? Because he's made of 4 by 13 or 2 by 26. Well, number block 52, I don't know, is he a super rectangle or a super duper rectangle? Let's make an experience. 1 by 52, 2 by 26, 4 by 13, or 13 by 4, 26 by 2, and 52 by 1, which means he's a super rectangle. But he's also the 4th member of the Falling Apart 13 Club, because he's the unlucky number. Well, he's the 12th member of the Square with a Hole Club. Well, in my experience or in my assumption, the numbers which can divide it by 4, but except from 4, is a Square with a Hole Club. Just my assumption. But if it's, but I don't know if it's wrong or right. But I don't know too. Just make an assumption, anyways. Because sometimes I love experience of the numbers sometimes, anyways. So that's why I post you about number blocks, but with my own experience, like using super rectangles or using my own club or more. But anyways, just building the number blocks 52. Well, number block 52 is the blocks are finished. Let's do a magic. Oh, sorry. No, sorry. There. Well, anyways, let's use a magic by counting to 1, 2, 3. Well, anyways, the box is lean. Sorry. Alright, let's do a magic. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! The number block 52 is finished by recognizing his unlucky eye because he's made of 4x13. Anyways, here is the finish of the number block 52. Let's continue to build the number block 53. Alright, let's build the number block 53. Number block 53 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 3 yellow blocks. Number block 53 is the prime number again. Well, let's count together. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Wait, just 2, 3, 5, 7. Oh, I know. Sorry, it's the 16th member of the Prime Club. Well, I designed the number block 53 by his silly eyes. Like the left eye go to the left position, and the right eye go to the right position. Like looks like crazy, like right, but not crazy. His eyes look crazy, but actually he's the normal number. But I resigned the crazy eyes, but in the normal number. Well, do not look down the numbers and do not hate the numbers. Well, 53 has the silly eyes, but his mind is very good. Yeah, it's not joke, it's not funny, it's a real. Not by redesigning the number block 53. I'm using the crazy shape, not crazy shape, the crazy silly eye, but his mind is not crazy. Just only his eye. But anyways, 50 plus 3 equals 53. Let's do a magic again. Well, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! The number block 53 is finished, which is the 16th prime number. Well, anyways, let's move on to the number block 54. Alright, let's move on to the number block 54. Well, number block 54 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 4 green blocks, because 50 plus 4 is 54. Well, number block 54 has a bow tie, which is the left one is 9, the right one is 6, and the middle one is a multiplication sign, which means 9 by 6 is 54. Well, number block 54 is also the Great Galore game on his back. On his back, sorry. Well, number block 54 loves to play his game on his back. Yeah, you see like XO game and so on, but I don't know what do I call more. It's because he has so many games on his back. Because 54 has a grid. One block is one grid. Well, number block 54 is also in the made of 3 clubs, and he's also the 6th member of the Sneezer, because 9 by 6 is 54. Well, here is the finish. The blocks are finished, but not clearly all, because we don't have his face. Well, we just do our magic again. 1, 2, 3. Bingo! The number block 54 is finished. Well, which I call the game Galore Grid. Well, here are finished anyways. Number block 54. Grab it, and we continue to the last one is 55. Alright, let's move to the last one is number block 55. Well, number block 55 is made of 50 light blue blocks and 5 light blue blocks too. Well, it's because 55 is a rocket which means I made the 55 as a rocket, or also can be recalled a step shape. You can make 11 by 5 rectangle formation, or also, well, anyways, I don't want to make like this. I want to make as a step shape to make it easier. Well, let's attach it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsie. And this is 5. 6. Oh. 7. 8. What? Stop. Hold on. Wait a minute. And 9. And include one more to make 10. And the number block 55. The block is finished. Let's do another magic again. 1, 2, 3. Ding! Number block 55 is finished. Let's review all of the number blocks that we made today. Oopsie. Alright, let's review all the number blocks. Number block 51. Number block, oopsie. Number block 52. Oh, phew, it's in the middle. Anyways, continue. Number block 53. Number block 54. And the last one is number block 55. Well, anyways, this is the end of this video, how to rebuild the number blocks part 8, which is 51 to 55. Well, if you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more videos. Anyways, see you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.